Hi and welcome to VTV Today. I forgot the line. I'm your host Barbara and I just want to start off this episode by wishing all of you leap year babies a happy birthday. Yes, that's right. This year we have a 29th of February. Women's Week is coming up, and to celebrate it, the Writing Center and the Women's and Gender Studies Department are putting together their annual book called In Her Name. Write about an inspiring woman in your life in less than 300 words and you can win a cash prize and have your work published. They accept poems, short stories, and songs, you name it. There's a link in the description you can go to for more information and to submit your work. The deadline is February 21st, 2020. Stress and anxiety affect so many young adults today, and learning to overcome it can be the hardest challenge. Join Vayner's Mental Health and Wellness Center in a series of workshops called Managing Stress and Anxiety. You must meet a social worker and your partner to reserve your spot. The dates and the locations will be determined at a later time, so make sure you sign up. Vayner will be celebrating La Semaine de la Francophonie from February 24th to February 28th. There's going to be plenty of special guests, conferences, and even a chance to see an Impact soccer game. Visit the Vayner Francophonie Facebook page for the full schedule. It's definitely worth checking out.
Montreal fans dancing with joy.
Thanks for watching VTV Today. I'm your host Barbara and we'll see you in 2 weeks. Bye!